What is the difference between infrastructure as a service and platform as a service? Although PaaS and IaaS are both subsets of CaaS, there are major differences that help determine if PaaS is the right approach for a given project. PaaS offers a platform built upon hardware and software tools that can be used to develop applications, where IaaS broadly provides cloud-based services such as virtualization, storage, and networking over the Internet. PaaS provides a managed platform to build applications, which are then accessed by users via the Internet. PaaS providers offer a wide array of OS, database, and development tools, and pricing models for PaaS providers will vary based on which subscription plans are chosen by the organization. OS, database, and other tools are provided and maintained by the PaaS provider, which helps eliminate complexity inherent in traditional on-premises IT infrastructure deployments. PaaS platforms are ready for developers to dive in. 1. As a public cloud service, where the developer or business controls the software deployment using the provided configuration options. The service provider manages the networks, servers, storage, and operating system which will host the application being developed. 2. As a private cloud service, where the developer handles the building of the application behind a firewall. The firewall creates a private environment for businesses to deploy applications while still using the service provider's infrastructure.